Hi everybody, thank you for being here today with me. So what's all this hype about Ozempic and Wegovy, the weight loss medications that are blowing up on the internet and going viral on social media? They're being touted as miracle weight loss medications, and now everybody ran out to get them, so there's shortages. So what is the big deal? I'm Dr. Judy Goldstone. I am an obesity medical specialist with the Anti-Aging Center at Make You Well, and I'm going to share with you my 2 best weight loss tips at the end of this video, so please be sure to stick around. Back to Ozempic and Wegovy. They aren't exactly the miracle weight loss drugs that everybody's saying, but they do work better with less side effects than any other medication approved for weight loss up till now. They're both the same thing, a peptide called Semaglutide. Semaglutide has been around for a while, and in 2017, the FDA approved it as a treatment for diabetes. People on Ozempic were noted to be losing pretty significant amounts of weight. So in 2021, the FDA approved Semaglutide for weight loss, and that drug was called Wegovy. They are both the same thing. The only difference is the dosage of the Semaglutide. It's higher in Wegovy. So you're best off just thinking of it as Semaglutide. How does it cause weight loss? Well, it mimics a natural hormone which lowers blood sugar, causes the feeling of fullness, and slows the rate at which food empties out of the stomach. That all leads to feeling full and a decreased appetite, so people eat a lot less. Another great thing about Semaglutide and Ozempic and Wegovy, the same thing, is that there are no jitters or staying up late at night. Speaking of the older medications, the best you could hope to get was about 5 to 10% of your body weight lost at the end of 1 year. With Semaglutide and a good diet and exercise, people are losing up to 15 to 20% of their initial body weight within a year. That's better than anything and almost like a gastric bypass surgery. The side effects are pretty minimal: nausea, vomiting, constipation, diarrhea. There can be, in a rare event, an acute pancreatitis or a gallbladder attack. Gallbladder attacks can happen to anybody losing significant amounts of weight. I'm so confident in Semaglutide that I even have my own daughter taking it. Now, there are a couple people who should not use it for medical reasons, so please be sure to check with your physician before you start using Semaglutide. It can be very expensive, as I'm sure you know. It can cost $1,200 to $1,500 per month without insurance. And insurance companies have very strict criteria about who they will approve for Semaglutide, so approval doesn't happen that often. Since Ozempic and Wegovy are so hard to get now, I use a compounding pharmacy, which does make Semaglutide the exact same chemical structure as Ozempic or Wegovy. It's the same Semaglutide at a much more reasonable price. It's taken as a subcutaneous injection. That means just below the skin. It's easy to do and painless. And remember, you have to combine it with exercise and a good weight loss program to get the best results. Most people, unfortunately, will regain the weight they lost within a year. That's just a sad fact about weight loss. And this is where the 2 tips that I promised to give you come in. I learned these tips from my weight loss patients. Number 1 is accountability. Patients came in and said it in so many ways. They said, I need to pay the money, I need to have somebody to report to, I need accountability. Otherwise, you just go back to your old habits and regain all the weight that you lost. And the second tip is support. Only you care and we care about your weight loss. pretty much nobody else really does. They're not going to encourage you, but at the Anti-Aging Center at Make You Well, first, we customize a weight loss program for you with exercise. We do a medical evaluation, and we give you the support that you need every week. You come in and get your semaglutide injection, we counsel you, and you have the much better chance to keep that weight off permanently because we have a maintenance program where we keep you coming back for that support that you need. We promise to be your cheerleaders for life.